very scary visuals right now we are seeing here at Karnal Bypass. Remember, that's the place, the first place where the Delhi police had stopped these farmers to enter in Delhi, but they did not listen to Delhi police. Let me first of all try to show you as to how these barricades were put up to stop the farmers, but they did not listen. They broke each and everything which came in their way. We are also showing you the pictures of these two buses. Those were vandalized by the farmers. You can see that how the pieces of glasses are now lying here, and there are multiple buses. While I was covering here, while I was here, I saw the multiple buses here. Those were vandalized by these farmers, and you can see the pictures. These pictures are now telling us the story of mayhem, what actually happened yesterday when these farmers had broke all the laws, broke everything. They did not listen to the guidelines issued by Kisan Samyukt Morcha. They did not listen to what Delhi police requested them, and these cemented barricades were used to stop them, but they did not listen anything. And we are right now showing you the pictures of this bus also. That's the second bus which we are going inside. We'll try to show to our viewers as to what actually happened. You see that how the pieces of glasses are now lying here, how they broke each and everything. This is now certainly telling us the story of mayhem, the violence which took place yesterday. You see such stones were used. Such stones were used. I don't want to touch this stone, but such stones were used by the protesters to break and attack Delhi police personnel. And after attacking them, they entered here, in Delhi. This is certainly telling us as to what actually happened. You can clearly see as to how the pieces of glasses are now lying here. This is certainly telling us what actually happened yesterday. And not one, there are multiple buses. Those were broken by these protesters, and they attacked police personnel. Lathis were used to attack police personnel, and after that, not only lathis were used, they also tried to desperately run over Delhi police personnel.
The Kisan Gantantra Parade, which was supposed to be peaceful and was taken out from different borders of the national capital, from Singhu from Tikri and from UP Gate, Ghaziabad and also Chilla border, was certainly not at all peaceful. In fact, the kind of portrayal of the vandalism that took place yesterday in the national capital has certainly given more horrifying pictures than ever. I would like to request my video journalist Surendra Shah to kindly show the pictures of what the horror has been unveiled in this particular lane. We see shards of glass panels almost everywhere. A JCB has been placed here, concrete blocks had been placed here, and police had actually tried to control the menace that had been unveiled yesterday. But I would also like to show you the police van that had been vandalized yesterday, and this has happened right here on the Nangloi Tea Point, right next to the Nangloi police station. And we see the destruction that has happened. Let's remember that it was supposed to be a very peaceful protest, and the signatories of Samyukt Kisan Morcha had actually signed on the agreement that it will be very peaceful and the entire agenda will to reach the hearts of the citizens of National Delhi. But this is certainly not how you win over the citizens of National Delhi. We see this particular police van that has been vandalized, and we see the destruction, massive destruction of property here. And that has completely shocked the national capital. Internet services have been suspended across the national capital, and this particular point of the Nangloi Tea Point has been completely blocked. We face traffic disruptions throughout. While coming here, we had a lot of difficulty from points to points, and this has been certainly gifted by the farmers to all the citizens. And yesterday, the farmers' tractors also tried to mow policemen, which was very, very horrific. This is the glass shards that have been, that have covered the roads of Nangloi Tea Point, and this is certainly very, very horrific. I would also like to take you to that particular vehicle, one SUV that has been completely destroyed by the farmers here. And we are right now in between the traffic. We see people trying to commute through this particular point, and we see this destruction. The visuals are quite dramatic. And this particular vehicle, which was just simply parked here, had to go through the horror. We see how badly it has been destroyed by the tractors of the farmers. And this protest, the protest that has been that has been there for more than 60 days now. Yesterday turned really violent when all eyes were on them. They certainly could not seize the opportunity to win the hearts of the national capital. And this is the destruction that the Nanglo Tea Point had unveiled and the citizens living nearby had unveiled.